is up? Sling Poo right at you with another unboxing. And today I'm unboxing another 15 days of socks. And I know you're probably thinking, how is this over? Why more socks in 15 days? Well, every day y'all wear socks, right? I know I do. But anyways, the reason also is because I want to do a giveaway. So the giveaway is going to be that you guys going to have to comment on each and every one of the unboxings of these socks. And the first one to do it all will have the choosings of any of the socks. I still have them all here. I've never worn any of them. So they're all in here. So it could be an entire box of the 15 pairs, or it could be mismatched, whatever you want, 15 of them. And I will send it to you. But it has to be in the United States. I cannot do international, sorry. It's probably just going to be outrageous of the cost. But yeah, so let me go ahead and crack this one open. This is another Harry Potter. And this one's actually for the ladies. This is a woman's socks. So let's crack it open. It says Draco. I'm going to butcher the hell out of this. I'm terrible with reading this. And yeah, I'm not going to read it. Here, this is the front. Sorry if it's too much glare. There we go. That's the front of it. The back has pretty much nothing. And then let me go ahead and crack this open. Look at that. Alright. Okay. Front's a little bit better. You see the little school right here. Maybe. It just glares, trying to kill the image. And then the inside, all 15 days, you see Harry Potter and all the other characters in there. So let me go ahead and start cracking it open. And yep. I'm trying to go in order, but sometime, man, I'm just going to rip through this junk. And look at that. This time I didn't have to go violent. There you go. And it says for the ladies. Maybe it's because of the size. Let me see something. 4 to 10. It says women's. Shoot, I'll rock these. I don't care. Ain't nobody gonna realize, man, those are lady socks. How you know? And why are you staring at my feet that long? To even notice. Here you go. Was that Hogsworth? Yeah. About that. The same thing on the other side. You know. Boom. Let me stack them nice and neat. Man, I have a smaller table this time. And as you can tell, different background because I moved. And that's why it's been a while for me to even... This kind of looks similar to what I had. So, as the men sock, it looks similar. What's the difference? Skinny feet? I don't know. Some dudes probably have skinny feet. I don't know. Okay, this is a little bit different. I haven't seen that one. Alright. Oh, cool. That's Ravenclaw. Says Ravenclaw on the bottom. I mean, yeah, the bottom of your foot. Both of them the same thing. Pretty much all these socks are going to be matching to the same, so I'm not going to show you each and every individual sock. Just the pair itself. Dumbledore! Look at him. His old ass. Well, you can't see him, but that's his name's on there. Alright, Harry Potter, just the HP on it. And then has his name right under it. I'm going to have to just start dumping them in there. Mischief. Alright, cool. I like that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah. If you guys want any of these socks, man, just let you know. You're just gonna have to do whatever I said, as in go ahead and comment down below, like the page. I mean the video also. And if you do all the videos that I've posted, the first one to complete that is going to be the first one to win. I will message you and let you just give me all the choices that you want. Okay, this is the first white one. Back to Hogwarts. Yeah, this is the first white one. All of them are all colored. That was actually pretty nice. This one's a little similar to the other ones that I have from the other Harry Potter. Some of them are kind of identical. Here's another one. Alright. And what I have, about 3 more, I believe. Yep. Same thing on the other side. Nothing to it. Is that Slytherin, I think? It's the snake, right? Does it say that on there? Yep. Ooh, I got that one right. Kudos points for me. Y'all know what 9 3/4 mean? I do, but I'm just wondering if you're really a true Harry Potter fan. You should know that. Or just watch the movie, because I'm not a big Harry Potter fan, but alright, let me just bloop. That's the last of that one. Oh, look at that, that's cute. The little owl giving the messages and stuff. So there you go. That's all 15 pairs. Yep. That's all of them. Alright, screw all the organizing. But here you go. That's all the 15 pairs. And like I said, here's a whole bunch more from all the unboxings. So go ahead and comment down below. You can put anything, hey, I want socks or whatever. And trust me, I'm always on my phone. I'll watch it all. So comment on all the videos. And the first one to complete it is going to be the first one to be able to pick their 15. And maybe I'll be more generous and actually do another one and let somebody else pick another 15. It depends how many I get. So don't forget to like, sub if you haven't. And that's it. Alright, and if you want this giveaway, go ahead and visit the other videos and stuff. Alright, so peace.